Have you ever wondered how your phone knows how to sort spam emails? Or how Netflix always seems to suggest the perfect movie for you? The magic behind these everyday marvels isn't magic at all. It's a powerful field of technology called machine learning. This transformative technology is not just a buzzword. It's reshaping our world in profound ways, making our devices smarter and our lives more convenient. So what exactly is machine learning and how does it work? Let's take a closer look at the fundamental principles driving this digital revolution. At its core, machine learning, often referred to as ML, is a key branch of artificial intelligence, or AI. It is fundamentally about teaching computers to learn from experience, much like humans do. Instead of being explicitly programmed with a rigid set of rules for every possible situation, machine learning systems are designed to learn from and make decisions based on data. This allows them to identify patterns, adapt to new information, and perform complex tasks without direct human instruction for each step. So how does a machine actually learn? The process begins with data, and lots of it. This initial information is called training data, and it serves as the textbook from which the machine studies. Specialized algorithms then process this vast amount of data, meticulously searching for patterns, correlations, and underlying structures within it. Think of it as a detective sifting through clues to solve a case. The result of this training process is a model. This model is essentially the machine's accumulated knowledge, a condensed representation of the patterns it discovered. Once trained, the model can then be used to make predictions or classifications on new, unseen data it has never encountered before. Machine learning isn't a one-size-fits-all technology. It comes in several different types, each suited for different tasks. The most common type is supervised learning. Here, the machine learns from data that has already been labeled by humans. For example, it might be fed thousands of photos, each tagged as either a cat or a dog. The algorithm learns the features associated with each label, so it can later identify a cat or a dog in a new, unlabeled photo. A classic real-world example is your email spam filter, which learns to distinguish junk mail based on emails you've previously marked as spam. Next, there is unsupervised learning, which is used when you have data without any predefined labels. The goal here is to let the algorithm explore the data on its own and discover hidden patterns or groupings. Imagine a marketing team wanting to understand its customer base better. An unsupervised learning algorithm can analyze purchase history and browsing behavior to group similar customers into distinct segments, allowing for more targeted campaigns, all without any prior labels defining what those groups should be. The third main type is reinforcement learning. This is a fascinating process based on trial and error. The model, often called an agent, learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties for its actions. A good action earns a reward, while a bad one results in a penalty. Over time, the agent learns to maximize its rewards by developing a winning strategy. This is the same method used to train AI to master complex games like chess or Go, where it learns to make strategic moves by playing against itself millions of times. You might be surprised by how often you interact with machine learning every single day. When you binge watch a series on Netflix or scroll through YouTube, the recommendations you see are powered by ML algorithms that have learned your viewing preferences. When you shop on Amazon, the customers who bought this also bought section is a product of machine learning. Beyond entertainment and e-commerce, it's in the everyday technology you use constantly. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use ML to understand and respond to your commands. Facial recognition unlocks your phone, and navigation apps like Google Maps predict traffic and suggest the fastest routes by analyzing real-time data from other users. In conclusion, machine learning is no longer a concept confined to science fiction. It is a tangible and transformative technology that is deeply integrated into the fabric of our modern lives. From simplifying daily tasks to driving major industrial innovations, its ability to learn from data is creating a smarter, more connected, and more efficient world. As this technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, it promises to unlock even more incredible possibilities, further blurring the lines between human and machine intelligence and paving the way for the next wave of technological breakthroughs.